In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see status on WhatsApp web. As WhatsApp becomes an integral part of our daily communication, it's useful to know how to access all its features, not just on your phone, but also on your computer. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you're fully clear on how to do it. First, to get started, you'll need to open your desktop browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. This is the official platform for using WhatsApp on your computer. It's a handy tool that mirrors your mobile app, allowing you to manage your chats and keep up with your messages seamlessly. Once you're on the website, you'll be prompted to log in. The login process involves scanning a QR code with your phone. To do this, open WhatsApp on your mobile, tap the three dots or settings and select WhatsApp web. Hold your phone up to the computer screen to scan the QR code and you'll be logged in. Make sure your phone remains connected to the internet for WhatsApp web to work smoothly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the WhatsApp web interface. Here you'll notice various icons. You'll want to click the circular icon on this panel. It might look like pieces broken apart. This is essentially where all the statuses shared by your contacts are accessible. This area is similar to the status tab on your mobile app, where updates from your friends and family appear. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't used it before. After clicking on the circular icon, you'll see a list populated with contacts who have posted statuses. The list is dynamically updated, so you're always seeing the most current statuses available. If you're familiar with the mobile version, this setup will look intuitive to you. You'll see contacts' statuses displayed on the left, making it easy to browse through them. Now that you've located the contacts with statuses, the next step is simple. Just click on the status icon of the contact whose status you want to view. This will open up the status just as it does on the mobile app, allowing you to view photos, videos, or text updates shared by your contacts. You can navigate through different statuses posted by the same contact by simply clicking through them. It's a straightforward way to keep up with your social circles updates right from your computer, and there you have it. You can now enjoy this feature of WhatsApp on your desktop, making it easier to stay connected without having to constantly switch between your phone and computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below, and happy browsing.